It's exactly been a week since 3 serial blasts rocked Mumbai. Yet another instance where unsuspecting innocents were robbed of their basic sense of security. But despite the loss of life, the security apparatus is still inadequate and dysfunctional. Here's a Times Now investigation.
Globally, cities facing the brunt of terror have gone into a surveillance overdrive to secure their cities. In Israel, 931 CCTV cameras scar the city of Jerusalem. And although it struggles to keep its citizens safe due to its volatile neighborhood, the authorities leave nothing to chance. Much like New York after 9/11 and London's surveillance system after the 7/7 bombings. But in India, no lessons learned. A reality check on 3 cities that have been at the receiving end of terror, still sitting ducks. Hyderabad, a city hit by terror on several occasions. The Mecca Masjid blast in May 2007. In August 2007, the terror attack on Lumbini Park. But look at this. The control room that keeps an eye on the city. The nerve center from where all closed-circuit television footage is monitored 24/7. Shockingly, the reality is less than comforting. CCTVs at crucial junctures that have been hit in the past, unoperational. Lumbini Park, blank. Medina, blank. Gulzar House, also blank.
Installation is one aspect. Ensuring that they are in working order continuously is another challenge. When the threat comes down, complacency is setting in.
But Hyderabad is not alone. Bangalore, the IT hub of the city, is no stranger to terror either. The Indian Institute of Sciences, LET terrorists, opened indiscriminate fire in December 2005. Series of 9 bombs explode. A city on edge as another was defused. Chinnaswamy Stadium, just before an IPL match was to be played out, 2 bombs explode at the cricket ground. But at the traffic management room, designed to keep a hawk eye on Bangalore, we find CCTV cameras at junctures like the ISRO junction unoperational. An open invitation to disaster. But what's even more alarming, crucial junctures at DRDO, where the country's defense and combat technologies are developed, not monitored. 6 years after it came under attack, even the IISc campus is a sitting duck. And shockingly, the Vidhan Sabha and the Karnataka High Court are wide open to an attack. People in charge, KG, to answer any uncomfortable questions.
I will not comment on any security matters. You are asking about traffic, I will tell you that. Security matters, whatever it is, which is highly confidential, we will not tell you.
And not to forget Jaipur, a tourist attraction that has also become a ground for terror groups. Times Now visited the control rooms, CCTV cameras playing out live footage, but no one around to monitor that footage.
There have been a few instances where a few of the cameras were not working because of some climatic problems and because of some disturbance in the cabling. So we got all those cameras functional, and today all the cameras are functional.
Many answers lie in that candid admission. No lessons learned even after Mumbai's 13th July attack, begging the question, what will it take for the authorities to wake up? Bureau Report, Times Now.